Hey guys, Seth with Skynet Drone Systems. I'm just gonna take you on a walkthrough real fast. Some of the equipment that we use every day on a job site makes our lives a lot easier. Hopefully it'll help you guys out too. So first, our back area of the Jeep is our workspace. So we're gonna store most of our aircraft, things like that. Just things we're gonna be working with hands-on, easy access in and out. That's why I like the Jeep so much. It's just an open tailgate, and then we can kind of add whatever we need to the back here. This backlight up here, right there, that's basically a gigantic brake light. I don't know what your local laws and statutes are, but let me turn it on for you real quick. So as you guys can see, with something like that, if you're working on a construction site, you pull over to the side, you hit the, fire the light bar up, you're gonna be safe. You're not gonna have payloader or something coming over and smashing into your vehicle. Just a very safe way to operate on a job site. On top of that, if you're ever coming into search and rescue, or if you're doing something where you just need to be identified, whether it's on the side of the road, it doesn't really matter. This is going to be extremely helpful for you guys. As you guys can see in the back here, we've got a Nevada. We've got the Inspire 2 running an Osmo camera with an X5 on here. X5S camera goes on the Inspire. Little things like this, guys. These reflectors on the doors. Anytime we open a door, nobody's going to drive by and take it off. Then you're going into cones and a landing pad. The reason I love this stuff is because it identifies our work area and makes us look super professional. And these lights on these cones at night allow you to come in, find where you were very easily. Super safe way to work. So coming around down this side of the Jeep, this is the case that the helipad itself comes in. It's great to hang on a spare tire afterward. Like I said, just identifying your workspace, letting everybody know where the drone is coming in and leaving from. Over here, this has been my favorite investment probably so far. This is a backpack made by Hazard 4. It's called the Pillbox. It's got accessories like you can have drone strobes right on the side that we can pop in and off. I mean, just phenomenal craftsmanship went into this backpack. You got your UAS license right on the side here. So if somebody comes over and asks for identification, usually I have this hanging around my neck. We can just pop it right off and hand it to them. Inside here, this is a chest rig made by Hazard 4. I use it all the time because I can take that out. I can throw a controller in here. And then this front sleeve will actually open up into a drawbridge. So I can pull the controller out of this flap here. I can set it here. I have my UAS license, everything ready to go. Hard hats. You don't want to be showing up to job sites and borrowing people's hard hat, guys. So get a hard hat, throw it in your vehicle. Inside here, we've got comms. It's important to have comms, guys, because you don't want to be reaching into your pocket, fishing for a phone to talk to your visual observer why is he on the other side of the building. Something's going on with, it's just helpful to have comms. You don't want to be digging around in your pocket for a phone. So this is an Anytone 878. I've had nothing but luck with this. We run some smaller walkie-talkies showing up on a job site just to give to somebody that's on site, like a supervisor, an architect, things like that. And then on these, we're running these tablets here. This is an Android A7. On this, what we do is we run ATAC. So ATAC is, I guess it's called TAC now, is basically a command and control system that allows us to see where everybody is and then allow them to link through a UAS plugin and actually pull feeds from the aircraft. And back over here, Med. Med's important, guys, as far as if you're going to be doing any kind of search and rescue, because the last thing you wanted to be doing, showing up on site, and then there's an issue and you can't be of service. All of our pilots are certified with Stop the Bleed. Tourniquets, obviously. I have tourniquets everywhere in this vehicle just because you never know. So coming back around over here, we've got an iPad sitting inside of a case made by iOgrapher. This basically will turn any tablet, iPad into a monitor that you can easily grab, pull off of this tripod very easily. It's got a cold shoe mount. You just slap it right on there. A couple cold shoe mounts up here if you wanted to run sound and things like that. Tripod is made by Barska. It is not a big expensive item. I think it was about 70 bucks. You're not going to be putting a lot of weight on here, guys, if you're doing drone work. So you don't need to spend $400 on a tripod. Coming around over here, we've got, so this is the Osmo that I was showing you in the back. This is our hand camera. This is what we use for any kind of groundwork. Back over here, more med. People always ask me about the glow sticks. Glow sticks are in case I ever have to set up an emergency landing area at night. So let's say you're doing search and rescue, something's happening near your landing area. You want to create something very quickly, easily identifiable from the air, and it's not marked on your home screen as the home point anymore. You can crack these, throw 5 or 6 of them in a circle and create your own landing zone. One more thing, guys, before I let you go. This is a rechargeable neck fan. If you guys fly FPV in the summertime, the goggles are going to fog. This is the best way I found to get rid of the fog, prevent it from ever happening, and it blows cold air on your neck, which is never a bad thing. I'll post a link in the comment section below, in the description, where you can find all this stuff. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them below. We'll get right back to you guys. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you guys really soon.